I chose it because I'm a very hands-on person, and I was never really good in other classes where I would just sit there. And in trades, I'm more involved. My experience is really good. I have a really great teacher that supports me through it, and I currently just got put into a work placement, and we have 5 really great girls in our class as well. I hope that when I leave school, I'll already have an apprenticeship through the gateway, especially with the work placement and who I'm placed with, being a tradie, or having my apprenticeship already done and being qualified.